We just got something so awesome in the mail.
All right, so Grandpa's been to the dump again. Brought home a tiller. It looks to be a pretty nice tiller. I mean, the tines and stuff on it, they're not like thrashed, so should be good. I've been in the need of a tiller, so I'm gonna put a new motor on this thing and see if I can't make it run. I happen to have one Predator motor, so I'm gonna put it on there and see if I can till my garden. See if we can resurrect another dump find. All right, there's the new motor. So we've got some differences here. Like, I'm gonna hang back into this area here. We're gonna have to do some modifying, but I think it's gonna bolt up other than that, so we'll get it put on, get the other one tore off. All right, we'll try to put this motor on there and see what we got to deal with. We got some stuff. Comes back, so reverses as far as it goes. We'll tear this thing off of there, and then we'll see what it looks like.
Oh yeah.
Little spiders and stuff in there. Interesting. What if we just go up higher? I'm gonna need you to measure this for me so I know what I'm doing here. About 2.5. 2.5. Just build some spacers that are 2.5.
That's all you need, I think.
Alright. Maybe that's what I'll do then.
JD's the star of the show these days.
Hey. Put that away.
He's taking over
I'm
Dar's
hiding
chair.
from my wife, and I don't want anybody to know I'm here.
We got Grandpa Sherm here.
I'm hiding too.
Alright.
Everyone's hiding from their wives, apparently.
But it's not fitting real great.
It's not? What are you gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna make it fit. So this right here is interfering with my dipstick. So I'm gonna just cut it off. And then I'll weld it in the back, and it should be good enough. That's what I'm gonna do. Settled. Now it should fit.
It seems like they always are. Always got to be doing something on it.
It's gonna fit. I think this is gonna work. I have my doubts, but
You don't think it's gonna work?
no, it's gonna work. It's gonna have to. I just have my doubts as well. I'm gonna go drill some holes. We'll bolt this to the motor and then weld those things to the bottom. And we'll go from there. If Grandpa Sherm would bring me working stuff from the dump instead of broke down stuff, I would be.
Well,
Come give us a report.
Huh?
how was it? I thought you guys were stuck somewhere.
We weren't. We got stuck, but then we got out.
Oh geez.
Slow her down! Alright, slow up.
How's she running?
Good. We only bent a little protector. That's all, on a rock. Yeah.
What little protector?
You know that one that goes like this under that brake on the back? There's one, and I bent that.
What'd you do, run into something?
A rock. We didn't run into it. We went over it, and then the guard caught on it.
Oh.
My goodness. Doesn't appear that they're having any fun in the go-kart. Who drilled these holes?
You didn't drill them in the right spot.
I didn't. It's loose.
Does she fit?
Like a glove. We just gotta get her straight and then weld some stuff down. I believe I got this thing lined up close enough for a belt to stay on. I'm fairly happy with that. I want it just to skosh back a little. Gotta tip her up where I can get to the rest of it to weld it. Just might work. My throttle cable just might even work too. How cool will that be? That's full onion. That doesn't Now we go back from full onion. Sounds like my gravel's getting thrashed outside. Definitely my gravel getting spun out. She's full up now. Now I'll get some gas, we'll put in it. Harbor Freight Predator motor will fire up. And we'll go till some weeds in the garden with this bad boy.
There's weeds in our garden.
You're supposed to say, we have a garden? That's what you're supposed to say. I'm fairly confident you don't know what's growing in our garden.
I don't think you know how to fold laundry either.
True story here.
How exciting do you think this will be for you to pour gas in?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Yeah.
like a 17.
Oh.
Gas pouring is highly skilled, and you can see that I need to work on it. But the size of tank this thing has, I should be able to till for like 27 hours. Gas is on. Let's see. How many pulls do you think this brand new motor will take to start?
Put it in the comments. I'm guessing 3.
No, 2.
Oh, you beat me. That's quiet.
Purrs like a kitten.
Well,
For a dump tiller, she's pretty dang good. Alright, so the Harbor Freight motor seemed to make this tiller pretty dang good. It started on the second pull like I thought it was gonna. Everything's good. I mean, reverse even works, so now I can till my garden, keep the weeds out of it. Life's good.
treasures from the trash.
Yep. She's a beaut.
You guys, we just got something so awesome in the mail, and I'm gonna go show Paul right now. Look what I just got in the mail.
What'd you get in the mail? Sweet, what is that?
I think we should open it up and see.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Let's see what it is.
Let's see it.
This is pretty exciting.
It'd be more exciting if I knew what it really was.
I have a pretty good idea of what it is. It's protected. Let's read it. YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. This is kind of like emotional for me a little bit because
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
it even has our name. This is because of you guys, right
Thank
here.
you.
My daughter, when we very first started our channel, came in, presented us with a red play button. Because she's like, Mom, you guys can do it. Here's your first play button. And I had it on my wall in the bedroom. And I'm gonna frame it, and I'm gonna put it with this one, just to remind us how far we've come. Anybody with a YouTube channel can attest of the hard work that it takes to get to this. Like, I'm starting.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like hours and hours of filming and editing and just hard work. And the fact that you guys like to watch it is just the most rewarding thing for us.
Her work's way harder than mine. Because I like doing this stuff in the shop.
Yeah.
She doesn't necessarily like watching me do this stuff in the shop.
Like you've seen, I don't even know what the parts are. Like, it's all worth it because, like I've said in previous videos, we read every comment and we appreciate everybody that watches. Even if you're mean to me, I don't care. You're watching our show, so I don't care. Gotta get myself together first. Oh,
We're back.
we're back. I've kind of got myself put together a little bit more. There's a mirror on this, so I can fix my makeup. Most of you guys already know that we had a trip to Southern Utah getaway that we did on our channel. And we actually posted the winner like in the community page, but some of you guys didn't see that. We filmed the day that we did it.
So it was legit. We didn't cheat.
It's legit, and we appreciate you guys so much. That was so awesome to see everybody that like supported us and bought our merch. Holla. And speaking of merch, we got our America shirts. Check them out.
Your hair's in the way. They can't see any of it.
Now they can. Because of the high demand of those, we tripled another order. So we should have plenty for you guys if you want a shirt with Grandpa Sherman's tow truck and the American flag. With that being said, here's the video of us picking the winner. Okay, so it's that time for the drawing to see who's gonna get the getaway prize. I'm kind of nervous. Are you?
No.
I don't know why this is making me nervous, but it's making me a little bit nervous, and I'm super excited though. Just so you guys are aware, I listed every single person by hand. Everybody that entered is in this. I can promise you that. Guys, we've got everybody that did anything from the May 30th till June 13th here. We've got an audience.
Oh,
Tell them who's on.
I'm excited about this.
Let's get to it.
I'm anxious. I want to see who drew this or won this.
I hope it's not
Here, you go
Buffalo
over
Bob
there.
that wins.
Buffalo Bob? I hope he brings his buffalo if he does win.
This is my second time using random
I was
picker.
going to just ask, do you even know how to run
Me
this?
and Jamie figured it out. And
I
do
just want
this.
your audience to know who's the cameraman.
He's really bad at it. The last time he was a cameraman, he didn't get the welds clear enough, so people didn't know, and that's why Jamie won.
She's like, I want to challenge Michelle to a weld off, and she didn't shut up about it till we got here.
Oh gosh!
Yep. Oh, I was not.
Me and Jamie had a little competition a few weeks ago and let you guys, the viewers, decide on who won the welding competition. It wasn't me. I think you might have thought it was me, so you chose the one, but it was actually Jamie. So now we're gonna make good on that, and I'm gonna take her out to dinner
We're gonna eat some shrimp
and steak.
and steak.
I'm not paying for Matt's. How's
Those
your
are in the
steak,
mail.
Jamie? It's delicious. Pretty good food. Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks, Michelle, for the delightful dinner.
Mostly just thanks for sucking at welding.
You better
You're
work on that
welcome,
this week.
everybody. I'm gonna beat you next time. We're gonna start the final drawing now. Let's do this. Who's it gonna be? Oh, click here to see results.
Who is it?
Brendan Sullivan.
Brendan Sullivan.
Brendan, you're the winner to the Southern Utah Trip giveaway.
Is it Brendan?
Come on
or
down.
Brandon?
We're gonna give you a call right now. I'm not sure where you're from, but it could be 10 o'clock at night where you live.
If it is, we're sorry, but we're still calling you.
We're still gonna call you.
It's on speaker.
Are you gonna talk to him, or do you want me to? You go ahead.
You do it.
Okay.
You tell him. You're more excitable.
Okay.
What if he doesn't answer? Do we
He won't
cancel
answer.
him?
He's
like,
be
I don't
"Who
even
the
know this
heck
number.
is this?
Right.
We're gonna leave him a message. He might be asleep.
Oh, leave him a message.
Okay. Hey, Brendan. It's Paul and Michelle Cox here. You should answer your phone because we have a pretty good surprise for you.
Yeah, we're gonna fly you out here, take you wheeling, take you rappelling, have a good time. Yep, but we'll stay in touch and we'll get it worked out. Yep. All right, man. Yep, no problem, man. We'll see ya.
So congratulations, Brendan Sullivan, for winning the prestigious award. I wish we could send it to you in a box that says Fragile, but you'll just have to come and hang out with us instead.
You may not want to hang out with us. We're pretty boring, but
I'm not. Speak for yourself.
I'm-
So we wish that we could have picked every single one of you guys because you guys all seem so awesome. And we hope someday that you guys can visit us. Like if you're ever in Utah, swing on by, come say hi to us. We love it. Unless you're crazy, stay home.
no, I'm just grateful and thankful for all you guys watching. It's awesome. I enjoy it, and I hope you guys do too.
Thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts for watching our dreams come to reality, basically, because he's just doing what he loves And I love interacting with all of you. I love seeing what you guys have to say about stuff. And so that makes the hours and hours of editing worth it. I feel like this is kind of an award show right now, and we have to thank a few people. So,
There's lots of people to thank.
there's tons of people to thank. Like, one super important person is Grandma Lolly. She has been fulfilling so many orders and spending so much time doing that.
You're making our lives way better.
Way.
'Cause we couldn't have done it.
No. So thank you so much, Grandma Lolly. And thank you to our second editor that just joined the team, Deanna. She's my cousin. She's awesome. She's making my life a lot easier by doing one video a week for us. So thanks, Deanna.
Thanks for all the people that come down to the shop, like Dar and Grandpa Sherm and JD. Everybody that stops by, lends a hand, helps me out.
Yeah, we love it.
I take all the help I can get, so thank you.
Thanks to Landon.
Yeah, Lando, he's a big part of this whole situation.
He
He doesn't
is.
think so, but he is.
He doesn't show his
So-
face a whole heck. Well, he has more lately since they've been fixing his truck, but he's behind the camera a whole heck of a lot, and that makes my life a whole lot easier too, because I don't have to do it. Most of all, thank you guys for watching. Like we said before, without you guys, we wouldn't have this, and we wouldn't have a channel.
Thank you guys a lot. We mean it. I mean, people say thanks a lot, but we actually mean it.
We
This
really
is
do.
awesome. And you're giving us a way to do what we really want to do, and it's pretty cool.
Yep.
Thanks.
Thanks so much, guys. We love you guys. That was way too close.